Hello everybody, my name is Oliver and today I'm going to do a new unboxing. This time it's of a very special Steinhart watch. It's a watch that you might not have seen before and I'm really excited to show you what it looks like. But first we got a second box, so I'm just going to get this to the side and slide this out and show you. So here we have the Steinhart logo. It's a pretty nice box. It's a magnetic lock, and inside here, here we have a print of the watch that I'm unboxing today. It's really nice quality, it seems. I don't know if I like the colors on the print, but pretty cool. Let's roll this back together and get into the main attraction. So here is the watch, well, the box. It's a pretty standard Steinhart box. It says 64 here, means it's number 64 of 99. So it's a pretty limited edition. So we open up here, we get the instruction manual and return policy. I think it's too late because this watch is from 2018 and it's a limited edition that was made only for the market in Macau in China. And let's open it up. Here's the watch, and you get a little tag. And let's try and get the watch out. Here it is. Let's take this plastic off. As you can see, it looks brand new. That's because it is. You got all the plastic still on it, so it's a really cool find. When I saw this online, I just knew I had to get it. Look at this dial. It's a beautiful black dial with the gilt indices and hands, and you got this green text, 300 metros. It's really nice. It kind of reminds me of a Tudor Black Bay, but with the Mercedes hand. The bezel is beautiful with an aluminum bezel insert. It's kind of like a green, olive green maybe, and it turns beautifully. Really nice action on this. And it's a 42mm watch. It is pretty big for a 42mm. If you compare it to something like a Squale 50 at most, this is going to be a lot larger. So it's unfortunately a little large on my wrist. I can show you. So it looks pretty big, but I could probably get away with it. The lugs, you see they have drilled lug holes, which I really like. And if you look at the back here, it's pretty cool. It says Macau, 64 of 99, and there's like a lighthouse in a church or something. Pretty nice. The bracelet is pretty standard, but it's pretty nice. Seems good quality. Clasp is okay. Pretty standard thing. That's the Steinhart logo right there. Polished. Wrist is brushed. Well, polished edges. It's pretty nice. And the crown is signed, obviously. It's pretty nice action on this crown. It's a screw-down crown. This watch is water resistant to 300 meters. It houses a ETA 2824 movement, and it's a library grade. So that's pretty much what you expect from Steinhart, and at this price point. So yeah, it's a really cool watch. It's definitely a watch that not many people have, so it's really cool. I'm very glad that I managed to get my hands on one. You also see the crystal is domed, and it has anti-reflective coating, and it's obviously sapphire. So yeah, it's a really cool watch. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at it. It's really cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have anything you want to share with me. And I hope to see you around in the next video. I might do a review of this watch because it is an Ocean One vintage watch. So even if it has a special colorway or whatever, it still is a Steinhart. So I might do a review of it, but I'll see. thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.